Hi, in this video we'll learn you how you can put a URL like this one, for instance, onto your Excel sheet. So we have an Excel sheet which is a template, for instance this one, and here I want to have my website URL. Obviously the functionality can work also inside a region, so if you want to repeat stuff with a list data source, that is not a problem. Let's take a look at the configuration. So back into Salesforce, I can go to the configuration and I can say I want to add a config type. In the config type, there is now also the link config type. The data source is going to be the account, obviously. I want to say in this case, I want to have the URL coming from a field. I can also have a static URL, like for instance that I type the URL. But in this case, we want to have a dynamic URL. So we have to check this box over here, and then we're gonna be able to select a field from the data source. The same for the label. You can have a static label, like for instance website, or you can say, well, I want to have the name of the account over there. So well, all is possible. Let's say that I want to have a static one over here, so I'm gonna call this website. Then the merge field is going to be the merge field that you just saw. So that was account website. So that's easy. I can just select it from the pre-selected from the list. And then, okay, I can save my configuration. Now with the configuration saved, I can go to my generation part where in this component, I can generate my Excel, and I will do so now. And then when the Excel, in this case, I decided to download the Excel, and in this Excel, you would see that the website is now present. Indeed, my website is present. It says the static text account website. And if I would click it, then obviously I would go into the website. So you see the URL is the URL that I had in Salesforce.